Wazoo! Hi, I'm Josiah and welcome to Just Do It with Josiah, where we do it in 5 minutes. In today's video, I was listening to the song's Desire and then I was like, this is really good. So I decided to make a makeup look inspired by that, which is it's a simple, natural look that you can do, and it's very doable, and it just gives like that doll-eyed, boba-faced look. Like, if you know, that's basically the point of my tutorial. So first off, primer, because foundation does not work already. I'm just gonna put my primer on the primordial part of my face that will get foundation on. So I have this concealer palette, which is doubles also a contour palette by Max Factor, and it has the warm red shades. Basically, I'm taking the orange shade and you put it under your eye because, according to color theory, the orange should cancel out the gray, the blues in your makeup on your eye bag. So you're just gonna take the yellows and I'm just gonna use it to brighten my face.
Voiceover J here. Now we just have to blend with a beauty sponge.
Not a big blending brush, a concealer brush. Okay? And then I'm just gonna
Taking the dark brown shades and the gray brown shades, now we contour the sides of our forehead, under the cheekbones, and our jaw. And then just blend in a downward motion.
What you want to do with the round face, we're not trying to hide it. We're just gonna warm like this.
Now we move on to the eyes. Put some eye primer on your lips to prep the eyes. Take an angled blending brush and take a neutral orange shade and put it in your eye socket. And blend it only on the outer corner of the eye. Now take a taupe shade and apply it on the outer third underneath the eyelid crease and the inner third as well. Now you dust off the fallout eyeshadow. Now take a flat shade and apply a cream apricot color to the center of the lid. Then take a red clay shade and start smoking out a winged liner, moving your way from the outer corner to the inner part of the eye. Then apply the same clay brown color at the bottom lash line to smoke out, and smoke it out until a form of an eyeliner wing is achieved. Now take a glitter gold highlighter and highlight the center lash line and the inner corner of the eye to have that boba pearl effect. Now prepping our eyes for mascara, we first curl our eyelashes using the outer inner method and using mascara, a high volumizing one, to lift up the eyes and using a zigzag motion with the wand. Finishing off this eye, we have a black liquid winged liner. I'm using a dip brow for this, and that's our eyes. Using short feathery strokes and a taupe brow shade, I'm lining my eyebrows in the same natural shape. Now we take a blush shade in the Old Rose and applying it on the center of my cheeks, and it will also be my lipstick shade. But we're not going to go out like this. We're obviously going to blend it with a makeup sponge, which I will be doing in a bit. So I'm just adding more shade to make it more visible on camera. And now we take a sponge and blend it out in a dabbing motion, not a swiping motion. We're almost done with the look with the final touches, and we're done. Here's the final look, and hope you guys enjoy, and up till next time, just do it.